everyone is actually talking about Earnify. Now, there are different platforms on Earnify. So that is why I'm making this video. Most of the question comes like this: is Earnify real or fake? Now, in this video, I'm going to be telling you or showing you how Earnify works. When you go over to your Google Play Store, your Apple Play Store, you are going to be finding a lot of apps. Now, there are also websites who claims to be Earnify product or Earnify product of Earnify. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to be showing you these apps and how it works. Now, before we proceed, if you look at this particular interface, you can see that this first one is Earnify and this second one is also Earnify. They also have a web that claims that user can register and get an instant reward on Earnify, which is not part of this. Now, in this particular video, I'm just going to be working on these two apps and showing you which you are to download. Now, if you stick to the end of this video, you are going to be knowing which of the Earnify app you should work with. Now, this particular one that has a green symbol right here, so we are going to open this right now and we are going to follow the prompt, and I'm going to show you some things you need to take note of. Now, I'm actually connected to the proxy United States, so I don't know if you can actually get this from your own region, but right now I'm going to allow this time, which is your location, and it's going to display. This is the logo and this is how it's going to look like. Remember this particular logo, so some of them you can actually see different logo. Now we're actually working with this and we're going to be showing you what you also need to take note. Now it says Earnify endpoint for rewards of where the convenience store purchase. So what you're going to do right now is to come down right here and click on the register button now. Now the moment you click on that, it is easy to register, which I'm going to be walking you through the process. Remember, I actually went directly to get this particular app. What I'm going to do right now is to show you the registration process and how you can get started on this particular one, right? So then at the end, we are going to be knowing which we are to work with, because there are actually some of them after registration and after doing everything, your rewards are not withdrawable. So right here, you are going to put in your mobile number. So let me see if there are other countries right here. So you come right here, you can see, I can actually find, let me see if I can find Nigeria. So you can see some countries that are here. So this is United States, this is United States, this is United Kingdom. So there is no I can't find Nigeria right here. So I don't know if you can get this app from your Google Play Store as Nigeria. So let's go over to a particular site where we can actually get free numbers. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to come right here and I'm going to copy this particular number. Let's see. Let me copy this. So this is where you can get your free instant virtual numbers. So let me go ahead to copy this. If I see I can copy, let me see, copy link, and I'll come to my account. So I'm going to insert that virtual number right here. So I'll be redirected and I'm going to insert the number right here. So this is actually for the sake of this video. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to insert that number right, 78609, right? So I'm going to insert it. So I'm done inserting the virtual number right here. The next thing I want to do right now is to come down and hit this forward button. So I'm going to be expecting a code sent from them. And so right here, I've actually gotten the code. So I'm going to insert the code. I'm going to insert the code right here. I'm going to insert the code right here. Then you click on this forward button. So your account to be created. You can see secure your account, add email address. So I'm going to come right here and add an email address. So let me go with this particular one. Okay, let me go with this particular one. Right, so our accounts will be created right now. So we are just going to be following the prompt as you're seeing this particular stuff. So you are just going to be following this particular stuff. Now you need to verify your account. So right here, we just have to verify our account. An email has been set right here that the account has been created. We need to verify our account. So what I'm going to do is to copy the link and come back right here to verify my account. So let's just hold on for this to come up. So as you can see right here, account created, we just have to verify our account. So you can either tap to verify your account, or you can copy the link and paste on your browser. So we are going to copy the link right here, and we're going to head over to our browser. However, kindly note that this link is valid for 7 days. So if you don't verify your account within 7 days, you might be declined whenever you want to verify your account. So within these 7 days, try to verify your account. Or better still, let's go ahead to tap to verify, right? So I'm going to tap this to verify the account. So let's just hold on for the verification. Then we're going to log into our account. As you can see right here, success, your email is verified. Once you've verified your email, you'll be brought right here. Most times after inserting the code, you also get this most times. That is if you have a strong region, like your region, proxy and the likes of it. So you can see right here as it says, easier sign in, try passkeys today. Passkeys make signing in faster and easier without needing password. Use your device fingerprint face as just is optional. So come right and click on continue, right? So once you click on continue, you just hold on, it's going to load up right here. Now you go ahead to insert your pin, and so I'm done inserting my passkey. So it's going to launch the app for me. So I'm going to stay in Microsoft, or open, let's just stay in Microsoft, for later we'll open the app. Remember, I downloaded the app. Once you follow this process, you get to this stage. Now you can see right here, it says one last thing, agree to new terms. So just click this only button, then continue, right? And most times, if you find it logging in or creating an account using your virtual number, there's a box you're going to see, like what's it called? You can see right here, we have it. You did it. 250 points are heading your way. Now, what I was explaining is that if you find it difficult to create an account or logging in, try to use the email box. You're going to see an email box, then log in via your email. That is, if you don't want to use a virtual number. So we are going to come right and click on let's go. Now, the reason why I'm explaining this thing is because when you go online, you're going to be seeing a lot of Earnify platform. You don't know which one is the real, and you don't know what exactly is going on. Now, this is the survey. You can see right here, fuel savings. You can see right here. So once these points keep on coming from 200, 400, 600 to these points, your points are always converted to what you can actually withdraw from this particular Earnify. Now, when you come right here, I'm going to explain this thing one after the other. Let me take my time. So let me come right here. You can see this is home. This is offers, right? This is Amazon Prime member save more, blah blah blah. These are offers. Now when you come right here, you're going to be seeing that you can also explore this. Look at your location. Location was actually on. Now I explained something in one of my course, which is actually called the location changer. So I'm not going to be explaining this part right here. So it's actually showing United States because of the proxy I'm actually using, right? So what you're going to do is to come right to wallet. So I'm going to show you how the wallet looks like and how the conversion rate looks like. So you can see, so using the new Earnify wallet, um your Earnify loyalty card now has a new home along with your claimed offers and rewards ready to redeem. Add your card to Google Wallet, blah blah blah. So we dismiss this. So you can see this is your Earnify wallet. So that is your Earnify wallet. You can see it right here. Now this is a fuel. Like on this platform, like I showed you, you get your rewards in points and can also be converted. Now this is it. This is a fuel payment for fuel and the likes of it. So you don't actually need this right here. Now when you come over to rewards, you can see it will ask you to enable your location, right? So you go ahead to enable your location using your location changer, or better still, hold on to when it leaves. So most times when you click this and your location is actually turned off, it's going to display that. But right now my location is turned on, and this is actually the app I'm using. Now when you come right here, like I showed you, I already have 250 points. So right here you can see redeem valid at participating location. Now you can see $2 off in store purchase. So if you want to go ahead with this, all you just have to do is to click on this plus sign that shows claim. So the moment you click on that, you can see right here it says 2 off in store purchase. Get $2 off the purchase at participating BP or AMPM store. So come right and click on slide to claim. So the moment you click on slide to claim, you can see right here you already claimed this. You can see you just got yourself 25 points. So your 25 points is actually $2, right? So you come right here also, you do the same thing to it, and you also slide. So that is actually how you get some reward for yourself. So you can see some of all these rewards that can be claimable. Now, under deals and offers, you can see that right here we have Amazon Prime members save more. So these are under offers. Now, about it, you can come right here and read about this particular Earnify and how points are converted to what you can withdraw. Also go on reading some other things, how it works, and here is how it flows and the likes of it. There are a lot of Earnify online that are talking about different segments of you getting rewards which are not true. These are what you can do on your own. So you can see that is how it's being done. So I've actually explained the home button. Now when you go over to the home right here, you can see as it is. So when you click this drop down right here, you're going to be seeing everything on your account. Now let's head over our Play Store and let me show you the other Earnify. When you're here, you can see right here that this pink particular icon is Earnify too. So let's try downloading it and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to come right here and I'm also going to install this. So we are going to be seeing the different approaches and the different interface right on this particular app. So you don't download what you can actually get rewards after much time wasted on it. Go ahead to open this. So this is Earnify. It's actually loading. So for this, I think you don't actually need proxy or a VPN for this particular Earnify. So right here you can see you allow this. So you can see, so this platform claims that users can be rewarded with surveys, right? Why do we want to? So just go ahead to, let's go ahead to pick any right here. Let's go ahead to pick any right here. Remember I said at the end of this video I'm going to be making review about these two platforms and which one we should go for, right? So I'm going to come right here. I think this two is okay. Okay, so I click on continue. How much time do you want to spend on surveys? So let's say 10 to 5 to 10 minutes. So turn your time into earnings. Yes, please. So ads will come up. So just go ahead to skip or close. So you close this and you come right here. You can see welcome to Earnify. Now, what we are going to do right now is to sign up with our Google, or you click on start earning so it will display the next interface for you. So right here, let's sign up with Google right here. So you can see the difference between these two Earnify. So a lot of complaints have been coming, a lot of questions have been coming. Which of the Earnify should we go for? So I decided to make this video so some of us can actually pick and know which one to go for. Can we actually go for the both? So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to pick one of my email. Remember that first Earnify asks for a virtual number, which I think alternatively you can use your email to create an account, right? So after this, it's going to take you directly to your dashboard. So this is it. So this is the second Earnify. You can see log in successfully, as you can see your balance. Now right here you can see surveys. Now let's see if we can find surveys right here. So you can see right here that you have points, digital skill and online learning, and social media usage. So these are surveys according to them. So these are their surveys. We are still coming back to the surveys. When you come right here, you are also going to be seeing rewards. You can give 5-star review and you get 1,500 points, and you can check in now as well, right? Ads will display, right? So ads keep on displaying. That is where they keep on generating their own funds that they use to pay users. Once you're done, you cancel this. The reward has been assigned to you already. So right here, this reward will be claimed right here and it will be sent to our dashboard. So we continue with the app. So we have actually claimed that. So these are what you can do on this app. Drink water, you claim 12,000 points. Walk 10 minutes, you claim 11,000 coin. And so you can see exercise 10 minutes. So these are rewards that you get on this platform. Now you can see complete 10 surveys and blah blah blah. So these ones are going to be unlocked when you do others. So this is actually for the reward. And when you come down to money, you can see watch and also earn. So you can see that for yourself. So that is what this platform claims. Then tips, how this app works, tips to maximize blah blah blah. And you can see you can come right here and also invite. Now you can see right here, so you can use your referral code and also invite individuals. So right here you can as well use my referral code, so you can also get the bonus on this particular platform. Now they said enter a friend's referral code. You enter a friend referral code right here. How it works: share your referral code with your friends. your friend signs up and completes their first survey, both of you receive 5 coins instantly. So with this particular Earnify and the other one, I want you to also give it a try so we can try to understand how these two platforms works and which of them is actually rewarding users instead of wasting time. So if you have your own understanding about this, or you have a review, or you know how it works, you can go down in this particular video and comment that so we can also learn from these two platforms, right? So we don't waste our time either using this one or using the other one, right? So there are two platforms right here. We have the two Earnify. So this one is actually what I know about, and I believe users have been using this particular one to get rewards for themselves. So if you have your own idea or your own experience about using these two apps, you can actually comment that below this video so others can learn from it. I think we should also give it a try. I'm actually seeing an icon right here which shows our PayPal, so I think we should give this also a try. So you can see right here how it works, and coin processing, get paid. So I think with this, your efforts can be sent via your PayPal as well. Just like what I showed you, they also use this particular app in the US to actually get some things paid off, right? So they can actually use that Earnify card, so you can see which the threshold, because some of us will be asking what is the threshold. So accumulating at least, so that is the threshold. So that is why I said if it actually worth our time, let's go down and comment so others who can learn from others. There are lots of ways you can get rewards on this particular platform, and so this is all you can get from this particular video. And if you have your own additional opinion about these two platforms, feel free to drop them on the comment section, and I'll be glad to also share them with other of my subscribers. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this particular video. And if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watch. However, it's always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section where you get to join this wonderful family and also benefit online. And so see you on my next video, and keep winning.